Already previous classes discussed the straight lines. Straight lines. What is the distance between 2 points, perpendicular lines and parallel lines, circumcenter. Today discuss the orthocenter. What is the orthocenter? First, altitude. What is the altitude? The vertex to the triangle of ABC, vertex to the opposite side of the perpendicular. Vertex to the opposite side of the perpendicular is called the altitude. Vertex to the opposite side of the perpendicular is called the altitude. The triangle have three altitudes. Three altitudes. The three altitudes are intersecting a single point or common point. Single point or common point. Then the lines are congruence. Then the lines are congruence. Then the point is called the point of congruency. Point of congruency. This point is called the point of congruency is called the orthocenter of the triangle. Orthocenter of the triangle. What is the altitude? The vertex to the opposite side of the perpendicular. The vertex to the opposite side to the perpendicular to the is called the altitude. The triangle have three altitudes. These three altitudes are intersecting a common point. Then the lines are congruent lines. Then the point is called the point of congruency. Point of congruency. And this point of congruency is called the orthocenter of the triangle. Orthocenter of the triangle. First, find the orthocenter of the triangle. Whose vertices are? Whose vertices are? First, let ABC is a triangle. Then vertices A is equal to -5, -7, B is equal to 13, 2, C is equal to -5, 6. -5, 6. First draw the triangle A, B, C. The altitude, the vertex to the opposite side is perpendicular to the altitude. Perpendicular to the altitude. E, F. This point is called the point of congruency. Point of congruency is called the orthocenter of the triangle. First, this find out the AD and BRCF. B and CF. The slope of BC is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the y2? BC la 6 minus 2 by -5 minus 13. 6 minus 2 nothing but 4 by -5 minus 13 minus 8 is equal to 2 by -9. 2 2 ja 2 9 ja. Since BC is perpendicular to AD, BC is perpendicular to AD, then slope of AD is equal to -1 by slope of BC is equal to -1 by 2 by 9 minus 9 minus is the cancel 9 by 2. This is the M. Next, slope of BC nothing but slope of AB. Slope of AB. AB. Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. What is the slope of AB? AB y2 minus y1, 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 7 by 13 plus 5, 13 plus 5, 2 plus 7 nothing but 9 by 13 plus 5 is equal to 8, 1 by 2. Since AB is perpendicular to CF, AB is perpendicular to CF, the slope of CF is equal to minus 1 by slope of AB. Slope of AB. What is the slope of AB? Minus 1 by 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Enough. Another is also find out the slope of AC. Any two slopes is the find out. Next, the equation of AD. The line equation of AD is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into xy minus x1. M is equal to what is the slope? 9 by 2. A is equal to minus 5 comma minus 7. Y minus into minus plus 7 is equal to 9 by 2 into x minus into minus plus 5. 2 into y, 2y, 2 7 ja 14 is equal to 9 into x, 9x, 9 5 ja 45. Goes to right side. 2y is goes to right side, minus 2y, 9x, minus 2y, plus 14 to right side, minus 14. 45 minus 14. 45 minus 14. 31 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Next, the line equation of next AD is nothing but CF. The equation of CF is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus. What is the slope? M is equal to minus 2. What is the point C? C is equal to minus 5 comma 6. Y minus 6 is equal to m minus 2 into minus plus. Y minus 6 is equal to minus 2x minus 10. Minus 2x goes to left side, 2x plus y minus 10 goes to left side, minus 10 plus 10 minus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Solve 1 and 2. First write the y coefficient. What is the y coefficient? Minus 2. Constant is 31. X coefficient is 9. Y coefficient is minus 2. Y coefficient is 1. Constant is 4. X coefficient is 2. Y coefficient is 1. Use the matrix determinant method. 2 by 2 matrix AD minus BC. AD minus BC. AD minus BC. X by 2 into 4, 8 plus into minus, minus 31 into 31, 31 is equal to 31 2 ja 62. Next 4 9 ja 36. 36 is equal to y by 9 1 ja 9 minus into minus plus 2 2 ja 4. X by minus 39, y by 62 minus 39 is 36. Is equal to y by 13. 13 1 ja, 13 2 ja, 13 3 ja. X by minus 3 is equal to y by 2 is equal to 1. X by minus 3 is equal to 1, y by 2 is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 2. Therefore, orthocenter ORGH is equal to minus 3 comma minus 2. First again listen it. Find the orthocenter of the triangle with vertices minus 5 comma minus 7, 13 comma 2, minus 5 comma 6. First let ABC is a triangle. Then vertices A is equal to minus 5 comma minus 7, B is equal to 13 comma 2, C is equal to minus 5 comma 6. First draw the triangle ABC. Draw the triangle ABC and altitudes. Altitudes. First slope of the any slope of the two sides. Slope of the BC is equal to, what is the formula? Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. What is the BC? 6 minus 2 by minus 5 minus 13. 6 minus 2 how much? 4. Minus 5 minus 13 is equal to minus 8. 2 2 ja, 2 9 ja. Since BC is always perpendicular to the AD by the definition of altitude. What is the definition of altitude? The line passing through the vertex to the opposite side of the vertex to opposite side. AD is BC is perpendicular to AD. Then the slope of AD is equal to minus 1 by slope of BC. Minus 1 by 2 by minus 9 is equal to 9 by 2. Similarly, the slope of AB 1 by 2. The slope of CF is equal to minus 2. The line equation of AD. The line equation of AD is equal to 9x minus 2y plus 31 is equal to 0. The line equation of CF 2x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Solve 1 and 2. We get the orthocenter of the triangle ABC. Orthocenter of the triangle ABC. Next problem. Of the triangle whose vertices are. Find the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are minus 2 comma minus 1, 6 comma minus 1 and 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. Find the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are minus 2 comma minus 1, 6 comma minus 1, 2 comma 5. First let ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Then A is equal to B is equal to, what is the A is equal to? Minus 2 comma minus 1. B is equal to 6 comma minus 1. C is equal to 2 comma 5. Then the slope of BC is equal to. Then the slope of BC is equal to. What is the slope of BC? Slope of BC is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 is equal to 5. 5. y1 is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. 5 plus 1 by 2 minus 6. x2 minus x1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Minus 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 4. 6 minus 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Since BC is perpendicular to AD, BC is perpendicular to AD, the slope of AD is equal to minus 1 by minus 3 by 2. Minus minus is the cancel. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. The slope of, next problem, similar, the slope of AC is equal to, we find the slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the AB? Minus 1. Next, minus into minus plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Next, 6. Minus into minus plus 6 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 1 is the 0 by something. 0 by something is equal to 0. The slope of AB is perpendicular to CF. The slope of AB 1 by 0 is equal to minus 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. What is the slope? The slope of CF is infinity. The line equation of AD is equal to the line equation of AD. What is the slope? M is equal to -2 by 3. Next point A is equal to -2 comma -1. -2 comma -1. Y minus into minus plus 1 is equal to, what is the M value? 2 by 3. X minus into minus plus 2. Multiply the 3 into y, 3y. 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 2 into x, 2x, 2 2 ja 4. This term is goes to right side. 2x minus 3y plus 3 goes to right side. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Equation number 1. 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. The equation of CF. What is the slope? M is equal to infinity. Point C is equal to 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. Y minus 5 is equal to infinity into x minus 2. 1 by infinity is into y minus 5 is equal to x minus 2. 1 by infinity value 0. 0 into something 0. 1 by infinity value. What is the 1 by infinity? 0. 0 into something 0. X minus 2. That is x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. 1 implies 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to, what is the value of x? 2. 2 into 2. Next minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 2 ja 4. Minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 3y, 4 plus 1, 5 is equal to 0. Minus 3y is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to 5 by 3. Minus minus is the cancel. Therefore, orthocenter of the triangle ABC is H is equal to, what is the x value? 2 comma 5 by 3. 2 comma 5 by 3. Also we find the slope of AC. Also we find the slope of AC. Slope of, it is enough. Slope of AC is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the slope of AC? Y2? 5 minus into minus 5 plus 1 by 2. 2 minus into minus plus 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. AC is perpendicular to BE. AC is perpendicular to BE. Then slope of BE is equal to, slope of BE is equal to minus 1 by slope of AC is equal to minus 1 by 3 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Equation of BE. Y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. Y minus, what is the B? Y is equal to, what is the value of B? Y is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus plus, what is the M value? Minus 2 by 3 into x minus 6. 3y plus 3 is equal to minus 2x plus 12. Minus 2x left side to right side, 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. What is the orthocenter? 2 comma 5 by 3. 2 comma 5 by 3. H is equal to 2 comma 5 by 3. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 5 by 3 minus 9. 3 3 is the cancel. 2 2 ja 4 plus 5 minus 9 is equal to 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. This is the check the answer. అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ ఏవైనా రెండు స్లోప్స్ కనుక్కొని లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కనుక్కొని మూడో దాంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే అది కాక జీరో అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్, అదర్వైజ్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్. ఎనీ ఫైండ్ ద ఎనీ టూ స్లోప్స్, సాల్వ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ what is the orthocenter? The altitude is the concurrence of point is called the orthocenter. ABC. First slope of AB, slope of BC, slope of CA. Any two slopes, find out the any two slopes and find the any two concurrent lines. Any two concurrent lines and solve the two lines, we get the orthocenter of the triangle. ఫస్ట్ మీరు చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఏబీసీ వర్టిసెస్ తీసుకొని ఏవైనా రెండు సైడ్లు స్లోప్ కనుక్కొని ఆ స్లోప్స్ నుంచి అనేవి పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ స్లోప్స్ కనుక్కొని ఏడి ఈక్వేషన్, బిఈ ఈక్వేషన్ కానీ సిఎఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్ కానీ కనుక్కొని వాటిని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేదే ఆర్థోసెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్. నెక్స్ట్ homework. What is the next homework? Find the orthocenter of the triangle. Find the orthocenter of the triangle. 5 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 4. 5 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 4. Find the orthocenter of the triangle. This is the homework. First we draw the triangle and vertices and perpendicular lines. We solve the one by one, we get the equations and find out the equation, solve it, we get the orthocenter of the triangle. This is the homework problem. Solve it and also send the WhatsApp my number previous class 5 comma minus 2 minus 1 comma 2 1 comma 2. Very important problems. Annual exam, find the circumcenter or orthocenter. One of the problem in 7 marks. Homework. Tomorrow is the homework of the problem.